Okay, see what we have inside here. It's another envelope inside a box. We open this up. Okay, what do we have here? So we have a Hypersonic 360. This is a power bank and it's a power bank and headphone all in one by Linearflux. So these are the instructions. Let's see what else we have inside. So I got the letter from Linearflux here. So I'm gonna go continue and review these units right after this. Before we start, please like and subscribe to my channel. When I want to travel as light as possible. Unfortunately, with having my phone, I always have to carry one unit for my earphones, another unit for my charger, cables, a whole bunch of stuff. However, the Hypersonic 360 will allow me to do all of that just by using one unit. It's a Qi and MagSafe charger. It has built-in earphones. Obviously, it also works as a regular charger. So let's open it up. So this is the charging unit itself. Comes with extra buds, USB to micro USB cable, and this is the Qi/MagSafe charging spot. When you press this button over here, you will see the percentage of power you have in your power bank, in this case 74%. And this flicker can only be seen through the camera. If you see it directly, you don't actually see the flicker at all. Using this applied micro USB cable, you can simply recharge your battery pack this way. And while it's charging, you can see that in light turning on and off, blinking. So if I want to wirelessly charge my phone, all I have to do is put these two parts together and the phone will be charging. Now, if I want to use the headphone, it's actually very easy. Just take out the earbuds, put it in my ear. When I'm done with it, I just put it back in. And as soon as I put these earbuds back in, they will be recharging immediately. So just by using this one unit, you can wirelessly charge your phone. You can wired charge your phone if you want to. You can use the earbuds. They're not audiophile, but they're more than decent for traveling. And yeah, and then you can always check how much juice you have left over in your power bank. So my personal take after using this unit for about a week or two, I love it. I actually love it. I always use a battery pack that about this size when I travel because I always need to recharge my phone, and it comes with its own earbuds, so I don't have to fiddle through or trying to rummage around my bag to find where the headphones are located. So everything is in one simple box. So yeah, I mean, if I'm going to CES this year, 2022, I would definitely take that. Too bad, however, I won't be going to CES in 2022. And regardless, highly valuable. Get it. Definitely get it. So if you like this video, click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Put your comments down below and click the notification button. So the next time I upload a video, you will be notified. You won't miss it, then you'll be able to see more of me. I don't know whether that's good or bad thing. But thank you very much and goodbye.